Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. You can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. So if we wake up the screen on our watch and see watch face, there is a battery level right here. If your watch face doesn't display the battery level, you can always press and hold the middle button. Oh, my bad. Press and hold the middle button to open the menu. And here we have the battery level at the top. Also, we can edit the widgets on our watch face, and we can select the battery widget to be displayed. And to do it, in the menu, select the watch face option. Here, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down. Here in this menu, find the data, select it, and then adjust the widgets. Basically, you can swipe up and down to scroll through the list. And if you want to find the battery one, find it, and once you select it, you can press the start button to go to the next one, and you can edit rest of them to your liking. And once you're done, select apply to apply it, like this. Okay, so we can check it on the watch face in the menu right here at the top. You can also scroll through the menu, find the power manager, tap on it, and here we have the option, I believe, battery saver. And here you can check, as you can see, if the battery saver is off, you have estimated 5 days, but if you enable it, it's 7 days. Okay, and one other thing you can do is to enable the battery percentage in the power manager. So if you enable battery percentage, it will show you the percent of the battery level. So if we open the menu, we have 48% of the battery. Okay, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.